Hey guys, what's up? This is Natalie from Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you to our channel where we do reviews and tutorials about different SEO tools available in the market. And if you have missed our previous video, we're actually starting on a new series, and this is for a company called SEMRUSH. Previously, we have navigated through their landing page, talk a little about the company, and if you've missed that, definitely head on over to the description box below, because I'll be putting there some links to this playlist that we will be doing, because we're gonna do a lot of videos about SEMrush, about the tools, their pricing, app centers, as well as the extra tools that they offer. So definitely tune in for all of those. But for today, before we even discuss any of their tools and services, I just want to make a quick tutorial about how we can sign up for a free trial from SEMrush. So SEMrush is a company that focuses on online marketing as well as SEO. You can see here they do SEO, content marketing, competitor research, pay-per-click ads, and social media marketing all in one platform. So below, if you scroll down, they actually have an invitation here to start your 7 days free trial with SEMrush. So this free trial includes full access to all of their toolkits, and one you can cancel anytime. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we're gonna be asked to create an account, and I'm just gonna pause this video for a little bit as I enter my credentials, and I'm gonna be back in just a second. So I'm already directed to this page. I only had to enter my email address as well as my password, but if you also are signed in already to your Google email address, then just go ahead and click on this one. I'm just gonna show you. Just continue with Google, and you're just gonna need to click on your email address to confirm that's the one that you want to register with, and then you can go ahead and be directed to that page where you can select your plan or subscription. So here we can either choose Pro, which is 7 days free, and then $119.95 per month. This includes 55 plus tools for 5 projects, 500 keywords to track, 100,000 pages to crawl, and as well as PDF export. For Guru, which is I think their premium free trial plan, that's 7 days with you get 7 days free, and then afterwards you will be charged $229.95 per month. And this also includes those 55 plus tools that they have for 15 projects, 1,500 keywords to track, 300,000 pages to crawl, content marketing platform, multi-targeting, historical data. So you can either choose either of these two and then select this get free trial, or you can skip the trial altogether and then sign up for a subscription. And do remember that once the free trial period ends, you will be automatically charged the monthly subscription fee. So if you're thinking of canceling after the 7 days period is over, definitely don't forget, because then you will be charged for these amounts depending on which one you choose. So let me just check what will happen if I click on get free trial. And on the last page, you will be asked to input your credit card details so that you can finalize your order. And afterwards, you will then be directed to a dashboard. Hold on, let me just go to the dashboard right here. So here's a look of, or here is how SEMrush's dashboard as well as all of their tools and features. You can see right here the different categories that we have discussed on the previous video. So clicking on that will then expand to the different tools that are available under all of these categories. So you can see right here, and then here is the management section where you can see the generated reports, the lead generation tool, marketing calendar, and notes. Here just some more features that is included once you sign up with SEMRUSH. And here is where you can view all of your projects and your competitors section as well. So that's it. That's how easy it is to register for a free trial with SEMRUSH. And if ever those 7 days have finished and you want to keep using these tools that they have, then you can just click on upgrade and you will be able to select a subscription plan that fits your requirements and budget as well. So we're gonna do a lot more now that we have signed up for the free trial for SEMRUSH. Then we're gonna do a lot more videos about all of these tools right here and see the results that you can generate. So we are hoping to see you on the next videos, and we hope that you subscribe to our channel as well as like and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.